Hey guys, it is the 23rd of December and we have a Lockwood, but before we get into that, I want to just quickly announce the people that already have qualified to enter for the Christmas giveaway and some people that have made comments, but they have not been watching and commenting on free videos as they should. So the ones we have in is Michael Jenkins, RHN_DK, Stereolog, Lowell Forbes, Pocket Women, Chris Capune, Roy Simmons, Gas R, Brian Field, Michael Liff, Evil Arc Conservative, PH Picker, Snafu, Dunslox, Black Dolphin 90, Dana Reed, and Edog Dab. That's this, I believe that's 17 people that have entered. They have qualified to be in the draw. Then we have some more here. Let's see, we have Iowa Panna, you need to comment on one more video. Lockhack needs 2 videos. CamCam 413 needs 2 videos. B Clock Picker needs 2 videos. Thumper needs 2 videos. The Butcher's Block needs 2 videos. Paul Springer needs 1. Murloc needs 1. The Crappy Lock Picker, Helpful Lock Picker, and Aaron Sadler all need 1 video. Bronze Lockpicker 60 and Simon Atherton needs 2 videos. Rook Knight needs 2 videos. Jack Fox needs 1 video. M14w.com needs 2 videos, and Deadlocks need 2 videos as well. All of you here need to watch and comment either 1 or 2 videos, depending on what I just said, in the Christmas series here, to enter for the draw. And the first 17 I mentioned on this list here, you are already entered. So yeah, if any of those people want to enter, go watch and comment on 3 of the videos, or whatever number you need. And I've taken this from what I can see. I have been through all so far 22 videos. There is still this one and the one tomorrow, which is the last one for this year, to watch and comment, but you can also go back and watch and comment on the other ones, but you have to do it before the series ends. So you have today and tomorrow to do so. After that it's too late. If any of you that already have been entered, any of these 17, if any of you don't want to be in the giveaway, you have to tell me before I make the draw video, which means basically somewhere between Christmas and New Year's Eve. So if you want to be sure not to be entered, you should do it. Tell me if you don't want to be in either today or tomorrow, so please do that. And the rest of you just make a comment on a couple of videos if you want to be in. Anyway, let's get into the picking. We take this Lockwood, no number on it, but I would guess, I just got these yesterday, as some of you might know, from Paul Springer. There is this one, they look quite a lot the same. This one is a 120/35, so this might be a 40, I don't know, but it doesn't say anything. And I also have a copy key, a Silka, not a Lockwood key, but it does work. I've not been picking on them, I'm just gonna try this one. I thought it would be interesting to see if we can get it open. And that's a 5-pinner. And that's the keyway. Seems familiar. Isn't that the same as the... Yeah, that's basically the same as the Castle 440. I can't get it to focus now. There we go. Pretty much. So, a familiar keyway, but I'm not used to Lockwood, so we'll see if I can get it open. If not, well, all what I have just said will be deleted and I have to do another video. Yeah. And think about that when I say I have been trying 12 different locks to get one video done. Say so much, do so much, and then in the end just deleting the video. Alright, let's see. Focus on the lock. 1. Okay, that felt like an overset on 2. Click on 1, not 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Because they are stuck. Okay, what happens if we start from the back then? Nothing at all. Okay, a little bit more tension then. Pin 2 gave me a false set. What does that mean? Counts on 3. And 4. What now? 1. And open. Okay. That was not as hard as I would have expected it to be. Okay. It did give me some good false sets though, and good feedback actually. Huh. I wonder if I could possibly be lucky enough to rake it or something. Get in there again, you were just in there. Worm rake. I just think I will go into a false set with this, if anything. I get a slight turn, I don't really get a false set on it. What if we rake it then? Doesn't seem to give anything. Where's my half diamond? There we go. Still nothing, but easy to SPP. Let's see if I can do it in hand actually. If it's that easy, we can just as well try. I also reset it, as you saw. I got that false set on, was it 2? Yeah, there we have it. 3, 4, 1, and open. So apparently this is fairly easy lock to get open. I forgot the focus, but you get the deal. Alright. Not as big of a fight as I would have expected from this, but sure. Let's get it on the tree. I have to move something here. Okay, that almost tipped over the tree. But I got it done. Alright, tree focus, and right there. So, as always, the beautiful Ruko star. I have said that the American Lockwood there is the first we picked. Actually, I just saw that is the first one we picked, the Morris 1100 Chrome. That one is the second one. Now, rest is just random. Eurolux 40mm, IFM 45mm, we already have had that one. IFM 50mm, unknown padlock from West Germany. 30mm Bastion Castle 440. Triple Q 30mm copy of Tricircles. 25mm TSA. Abus 8540, we jump past these. Yale Y110/35 30/30, and down here Black Spur 50mm, crappy Flying Tiger lock 30mm, still fun to pick though. 40mm WB, Abus 6540 and 6550, Now we also have the unknown 40mm Lockwood. Lockwood, oh, but was it 110.25? Wasn't it? Yes, 110.25. Wolf head at 20mm and Rockford 30mm. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enjoy the last video for the Christmas series 2020 tomorrow. See what that brings. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great Christmas.